Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your NVIDIA report for Monday, September 9th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to jump to this chart here. This shows really everything. If your time horizon is 2 to 3, 3 to 5 weeks out, 3 to 5 days, we still anticipate 98.91. That is nothing more than the low settlement price that was put out following the June high. We are in the midst of a 2 to 3 week sell signal. I should have started with that, I suppose, below 112.37. This is a rising 2/3 speed line that was violated Tuesday of last week. We gapped lower, broke, and obviously settled below the rising 2/3 speed line. And it can contain buying for the week itself, below which 2 to 3 week objective below at 85.73, where we could actually bottom out possibly through October, round back up from there into the 120s. We could trade inside of this newly developed channel structure. I say developed, we haven't tested its base yet, but once we do, its top that is presently in the 120s and climbing, a simple trend line off these highs, becomes our sort of midterm ceiling and upward pivot point through the rest of the year and into next. But we're a long way from that right now. Bottom line, holding below 112.37, expecting 85.73 as a 2 to 3 week target. On the way down today, we have 98.91. The low settlement price can contain session weakness. If we break, especially if we open today below 98.91, I'm talking Monday, we could test the low from August. I don't have that labeled, but it's 90.69. I can tell you that right now. On the way down, 95.65 may give the market a little trouble, and that is really nothing more than a trend line off the lows. I can show this 95.65. So if we break 98.91 today, 95.65 in reach. If we close below 98.91, 90.69 likely within a day or two. If we close below 98.91, I do think that is an added sell signal that should add weight to the market and likely yield 85.73 by the end of next week. So inside of 2 weeks, we could test 85.73 following a settlement today below 98.91. But this picture also shows 112.37. Upward retracements to the speed line should be considered sell opportunities through the rest of September, and below which 85.73 remains a 2 to 3 week target. Upside today, we have this 104.67 steeply descending channel top. That is just a minor point. What I see as our upward pivot point for the day is 106.48, and that is a level intraday resistance that can contain intraday buying pressures. And what does that mean? It could mean for an hour, could mean for a better part of the day. I don't expect this to hold daily highs, but it just might. Oftentimes these intraday levels wind up holding daily highs and lows. Holding below 106.48, selling pressures can continue to build. 98.91 in reach today. If we happen to push through 106.48, that should set off a short cover rally to 112.37, where once again we can tap out through next week, below which 85.73 remains a 2 to 3 week objective. So if we can sell 112.37, that would be an opportunity to get short and stay short through the rest of September, expecting 85.73. If we close today below 98.91, I don't see 112.37 as an intra-week possibility at all. In fact, I see this 85.73 once again by the end of next week. 90.69 on the way down, our August low, able to contain session weakness. It is a bit stair-step, obviously, 98, 91, 90, 69, and 85.73. I don't know why we have 85.94 here. I don't think this level was updated, but it certainly will be by the time we get down into this zone. Once again, upside day traders pushing through 106.48. Anticipate 112.37 intraday, where we can top out not only for the week, but really through the rest of September. Now, if we do close above 112.37, we've got a good September low, and I would expect this 125.87 level by the end of next week. On the way up, we've got some Fibonacci's at 116.11 and so forth and so on. But the closing above 112.37, I see no good reason to be short NVIDIA through the rest of the week and really through the rest of September. I think we could see 112.87 within a week by the end of next week, let's say, and there is a newly developed then, if we close above 112.37, a new developed rising channel top that is now going to be in the low 140s. So really what I'm saying is if we close back above 112.37, I think within 3 to 5 weeks of doing so, we can reapproach this 140.76 June all-time high. So 112.37, we've got it as a 3-star weekly resistance level now, but it does still have multi-week implications. You can sell it through the rest of September, expecting 85.73, and if we close above it, you can buy it through the rest of September, expecting the low 140s within 3 to 5 weeks of doing so. Is there anything else to say beyond what I already have? 112.37, 116.11 is a 50% upside retracement. We're not going to see this area today. So, yes, bottom line, holding below 112.37, 85.73 remains a 2 to 3 week target. On the way down, we have, of course, 98.91 and 90.69 as levels that can be bought on a day trade basis. I think that pretty much rounds it out. I know I haven't even hit the 6-minute mark yet, but I'm going to leave you with this image. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. With it, you'll get at least 2 stock picks a week, daily analysis in the SPY and Triple Q. And I'm going to leave it at that for Monday's daily NVIDIA report. I'll be back tomorrow with Tuesdays. You have a great day.